Oh, come on. Son of a bitch. Oh, through the eye. Sorry, buddy. Oh, okay. All right, calm down. Ooh, slimy bugger. I'm a burger. Come on. He just peed on me. Just peed on me. Give my shrimp back. I want my shrimp back. Sorry. Well, a little bad, a little 14. He's gonna be short. One way or another, he's going back. I got you hard in the jaw. There you go. He's probably about 20. I ain't even worry about him. I want bigger. I got another small little tub of it too. All right, well, there's one, there's more. Yeah. There we go.
He hit hard.
There he goes. Hey, dump it real quick. There we go.
They're in that area.
Yeah. Small guys. I'm gonna post this up right here. And hot hand in the dice game, baby. Hot hand in the dice game. Come on. I do, right? With the size of them, I probably only win a small pot. I'll just set my damn rack down. There we go.
A little bit bigger, man.
Yeah.
Like
Oh, they're jumping out of water over there, right by that boat ramp.
Huh?
It's all one just air out of the water over by the boat ramp.
Yeah, they're hitting it. It's all fucked up.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Look, they're hitting the hell out of it.
Oh, there we go.
I can't catch them because it's all fucked up. Look at that.
Yeah. I almost felt like it's right here.
Dude, something bit off the fucking tail of it.
Well, it's probably just was already torn up.
You didn't put this on?
Huh? No, I forgot the damn cable, but I had the tools. Put my orange tool bag or tackle bag behind it. go.
Yeah, if the stores didn't have any food, we'd be all right.
We'll be okay.
I'd keep every fucking one.
Hell.
Oh. They gotta be like grabbing his tail.
Yeah. Trolling.
Oh, right there. Damn.
Nope.
Just fun.
Oh, you got my line. That's what's going on too. Well, that's why I felt a little heavier.
I was bouncing off the bottom.
Yeah.
And you know when I felt the tug, I thought it was your line. And all of a sudden it was like, damn, it's heavy.
Oh, there we go.
Ah, that's hilarious. Oh, he's so big.
Choked it down. There we go. Spit it up a little bit.
He's
a little better.
He's right there. I mean not right there, but he's close.
I mean, it's better than what we had so far.
He looks like one.
Way out there.
So many things. Drop off the bottom, reel in, stop reeling.
He had mine on the fall way out there.
He's so big. Oh, dude, same thing.
So on the fall?
Yep. I missed him.
Fire control.
Holy shit.
There we go.
It's 24.
That should be.
Oh,
Oh,
damn. Just keep him alive. I mean, you know what I'm saying?
yeah.
Like,
All right, cool. Well, all right.
how you feeling? What, you just rolling?
Yeah, I was just slow rolling around the bottom. No, my drag's just singing for no reason.
That was big, dude. What do we got? Like 4 pound touch on there?
No.
That'd be fun with them. You know what would be fun with them? Little teeny rides. You know what I mean?
Oh,
Like
yeah.
the teeny ones, you know?
Little kitty rides. Yeah. Oh, I think that was a sea trout. It was like getting it. Oh, dude, good fish. Good fish. Maybe not. Maybe. Dude, look at the tail on it. Hold on, I still got 10-pound test, man. You gotta work with me here. I can't see anything from all the glare. He's bigger.
Did you throw him out the net? Dude.
Do you want to throw him out the net? Cool, you just spit my hook. Oh, 22?
Huh?
22? Oh, fucking, I got smoke in my eyes. It hurts. Oh, yeah, it's definitely a drum. Watch out, coming your way. Move that rod, move that rod. Oh, the net. Grab that towel out of the water too. Oh, what's shaking on?
What's up?
Right there. Why is there so much water in this boat? Turn the bilge pump on.
It's big on the tip.
Yeah, it's just a fat striper. That's a cull right there, I think.
Yeah, take that small one out.
Yep. Oh yeah, that's a cull right there.
What's up?
So that's a cull right there.
You know what's funny is? That's what I think me and Josh got here. So, me and Josh got here? That's alright.
You sure?
Yeah, a little bit of water.
Dude, there's a lot of water.
There's no water at that, well, that side. Nice.
24.
Oh, yeah. Same thing when me and Josh got here.
Bam! Yes, sir.
Oh, shit. One busted right there with a wall. They can only come in and out kind of right here.
Right in that one, right behind those rocks.
Yep. What is that?
Trout.
Nice one?
Feels better than what we've been catching. Either that or a small striper.
What is it?
That's a good trout. Grab that net.
Is it that big?
Yeah, I think it might be a keeper. That's cool, yeah. Oh no, that's definitely a keeper. Oh yeah. There we go.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. That's probably a little 19, 18.
Huh?
All right, a little 18, 19. Look at how it's hooked.
Wow. What the fuck?
$18. Yeah, on the bottom. I did it when it was. Must have been little rocks or something I was ticking over. There you go. Tricky. It's tricky to rock a rhyme, it's tricky. Little fucking meth head, ain't he?
This is vomiting. That'd be more, maybe. Like swimming all around this one. All of that.
Yeah, it is.
Oh!
Oh,
Oh!
is that our drum? Coming. Trout, looks like. Yep, little striper. Dang, man. Oh. Heavy too for a size. I don't think he's any bigger than the other one we got in there, but nice. Hold him up real quick for a little. There we go. Yes, sir. Come on, man, get him.
Let them play around.
He's got a little friend down there too. 18, 19. Hey,
Hold on. He's almost 20.
it's almost, but not quite.